Hi, my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seats in your 2024 and up hybrid Tacoma. Use a panel removal tool to press the red button and unlatch the center seat belt. Remove the 3 locking pins that hold the seats down. Using a panel removal tool or screwdriver, pry the center of the pin upward to release the lock. Then remove the locking pins. The seats are joined together with some fabric that has Velcro. Using a 14mm socket, remove the 2 bolts holding the seat in position. Unlatch the upper seat lock and lean the seat forward. Pull up on driver's side and then passenger side to release the seat. Take caution not to scratch your truck with the steel brackets. Insert the seat belt into the holder to keep it out of the way. Perform the same steps for the passenger side and carefully remove your passenger side seat. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.